Hello, in this tutorial we'll share about Netstat. The Netstat command line 2 will provide the information that my computer is making the internet, and it's basically provide the info that what computer is actually doing in the network and what kind of connections tries to establish. So Netstat provide the details to look. Lots of IP is tries to connect it, the protocol TCP, and one of the uh, address established and other waiting, and you can see lots of ones established, but then the different IPs are basically established, and two of them are waiting to establish. And next dash A will provide the whole statistics regarding protocol. I mean, you have TCP and all are some of the listening, and it will provide the whole detail. One is established, one is wait, two is waiting, again establish, waiting. So basically, TCP is doing well, and UDP, you find the all UDP protocol is not established, not waiting. It means you have to manually configure. If it's working fine, then okay. Otherwise, normally TCP IPs work well. And Netstat slash E dash E provide the statistics, and you find the statistics, how much bytes received, how much sent, and the whole details. The Netstat dash P or hyphen P, if you want to pull knows about the particular protocol like TCP, and it will provide the details of established protocol. I mean, if you have an established protocol currently not running TCP, UDP, and runs you run ICMP, any protocol. Let me create a screen. Okay, so Netstat-P, if you want to see the configuration of ICMP or TCP version 6, yeah, so you can see it's establish. Okay, so let's see UDP version 6. Nope, it's not running. So this is where the dash P is all about. We create a screen, and the Netstat dash S will provide more details. You can see lots of details, more, but a whole lot of form, and provide the big details, big uh, form details. So Netstat-R will basically provide the routing table, similar to route print command. You can see how my pack is receiving, how it's running a word destination, any mask interface is that 121.245.80.82. We'll listen to it. So this is where the interface and the destination one, and net mask how it's gonna run, and what the response of packets. We'll listen to it. All are on link, we'll listen to it. So it was similar like wrap print. The next step one is basically keep refreshing our nested cache, and keep refreshing if you have any connection established, or Control C. Actually, if you let's do another command like netstat/b. Now it will provide the same detail, but it will provide the uh, details about how the connection established. You can see virtual router client, which I'm using. Dash F is basically provide the IP address, and let me provide with some commands in gmail.com. Let me do. Uh, so we do netstat f because my internet is not working. So let me create some cache, and we're required to stable. Okay, so netstat dash f, and it just provide the look. The dash f means uh, full of IP address, no host name. Like in before, we find the host name. So here we find the IP address dash f, and oops, typo. Now you will try to create an netstat one. This now if my internet start running now, so let me access some website. You can see it will keep refreshing and will keep playing with it. So let me try to access some maps or something. Okay, so you find that is keep refreshing, and because my internet is not it's very slow, so uh, and required access. So at background you see whenever my connection is looking established, it will keep refreshing, and it will provide the details of what connection is established, what is waiting. Control C, clear screen. Now another command we're left to know is netstat-n. So basically it will provide the whole IP, foreign address, local address, or RIP. Now resolve a host name. Netstat dash dot a will add the PID. You can find the PID address. So if I know the PID, I will be able to kill those from a task manager, from a command PowerShell. Another command is left now, netstat -t. So it adds offload state like in-host, and the rest of the details are the same. So basically, Netstat provide the information of the connection established with our network. Now let's done a dash f once again, and you can see here we provide the .NET, and it just added a fully qualified domain .NET, and .b will provide the similar kind of state, but in which software, in which platform it tries to connect. So it's very important and very interesting command. That's it.